Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can block or report someone's in Google Chat on your mobile device. So here I've already opened the Gmail apps on my phone. So that's the first thing that you need to do. And next, head to the chat menu at the bottom here, and then choose the users that you want to block or report. For example, I want to report this account or user. Click on the name, and in here at the bottom you'll see there's an option to block and report. So click on that red button, and here when you block or report someone, they won't be able to message you, and their message in this page will be hidden. So if you want to just block only, you can just click on block, but if you want to also report, click on this box, check this, and click on block, for example like this, and just like that the user has been blocked. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.